If you want to remove an object from a photo on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in that case we need to open the gallery and then open the photo which you want to edit. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Now over here what we need to do is we need to edit the photo, so tap on this pen icon. And over here what you need to do now is tap on this Galaxy AI icon, which is on the left side here. If you go here for the first time, you will need to agree to use Galaxy AI, but after that you should be able to find these two options. We want to stick with generative edit, and now we need to draw around this subject like this. Then it should be highlighted, and we can press on this icon over here. So let's tap this icon. We have the selected highlighted subject that will be removed. So now we just need to confirm by pressing generate. And now we need to wait for the results. And there we go. Here we have the result. We can also show the original for now while holding in order to see the difference. So you can see that it made a good job. So we can press done now, and then we can save copy over here in the top right corner. So let's do this. And here we have the information. When you save an image edited with AI, a watermark and content credentials are added to the image to show that it contains AI generated content. So you just have to keep that in mind. And the text is located over here in the bottom left corner. I'm not sure if I can show you, but perhaps you will notice it over here in this place. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.